you know? I feel a little cold, a little chilly. I wish I could have something warm, like comfort food, like macaroni and cheese. What do you think?
Oh, Massimo, please. We are in Abruzzo. I think it's better if I make lentil soup.
Lentil soup sounds really good. The ingredients for the lentil soup are, for the sofrito, onions, celery, carrot. Then we have water, rosemary, black pepper, salt, tomato, bay leaf, extra virgin olive oil, sage, Italian sausage, and of course, lentils. All right, so we're making lentil soup. The first thing we're gonna be doing is we've been washing the lentils. So with the strainer, it's very important to wash the lentils because they always have this funny powder on top. So we wash them and then we let them rinse out in here for a little bit. And now we're gonna move forward in cooking the lentils. First and foremost, we're gonna be adding a little bit of olive oil in a hot pan. And then we're gonna be adding our famous sofrito. Sofrito is the foundation of many sauces, and especially for the perfect lentil soup. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sausage. If you want to use sausage, you can do that. You can use pancetta, you can use guanciale, whatever flavor you like to give, or whatever you got in your fridge. A little quick saute. Next, we're gonna be adding a little bit, a leaf of bay leaf, sage, and rosemary. We're gonna stir it, let it, the aroma come out in there with the essential oils. And then we're gonna be adding a little bit of tomato inside, just a tiny bit, just to give it a little bit of color. It's not like a tomato soup, it's more like just to give it a little bit of flavor and color. It's mostly a lentil soup. Lentils are the protagonist. We're gonna add a little bit of water. If you want to make it really rich, we don't recommend that. You can add broth, but water is the way to go. So when the water starts boiling, we're gonna add the lentils, and we're gonna cooking for about 45 minutes on the medium heat. And occasionally, every 5 to 10 minutes, we give it a nice stir. And after about 45 minutes of cooking, the lentil soup is ready. This is the real comfort food. Very comfortable, very good tasting. We drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top, and it's ready to go. This soup is available on the website abruzzocibus.com and our blog under the recipes. Enjoy.